What's up? We are out here in Washington near Gifford-Pinchot National Forest at a little campground called Dougan Creek campground. Some of our friends were camping out in Mount Hood and it started snowing on them, so they came over here and invited us, so we decided to come hang out with them for the night. I'm about to head over to the campground host and see if I need to do anything for parking our car at the campsite. So we'll have a chill night. Come along with us. It'll be a fun time. Let's do it. Well, the campground host was nice enough to just let us stay here for the night without paying. So thanks. Campground hosts, I think Ed and Wanda at the Dougan Creek campground. Much appreciated. All right, let's go chill out, get our camp set up, and have a little fire. Hey, buddy. Woohoo! This is the first time we've seen it with the rooftop tent on it.
Yeah?
Looks nice. Can I get a peek in?
Yeah. Peek away.
Oh, it's nice and cozy.
Do they?
Yeah, they do.
Maybe we can We'll figure it out. Worst case scenario is good. Where?
Over there.
It's been peeking out periodically this afternoon. Pouring on like some roads past us.
From 100% to 70% in like 1 year.
Damn.
So it holds its.
Isaac and I both left you a special surprise.
Good.
My sister got me one a few years ago. It was supposed to be waterproof and
Oh no.
good water. And
Was it like a unibody one where it was like the lens was part of the body? Or was it a removable lens?
I think you can remove the lens.
Okay.
I got mine put somewhere.
She forgets my name when she don't forget, when she don't forget at all. She forgets my name when she don't forget, when she don't forget at all. Why she forget me when I remember, when I remember it all. Why she forget me when I remember, when I remember it all. She forgets my name when she knows I know she remembers all. She forgets my name when she knows I know she remembers all. Why she forget me when I remember, when I remember it all. Why she forget me when I remember, when I remember it all.
What are you talking about? Consent to what?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at Cooper. It's my one for the day. Yes. He looks cozy right now.
Yeah, it's the blowing factor that's nice.
That's awesome. That was like, because normally that would take like a couple minutes to like actually get going.
I feel like this is the most inconvenient spot I could have sat.
Well, here. Isaac said it started raining, but I don't feel it. I think it's dripping from the trees. It's coming down from the trees, boy. Tonight we're having some delicious Christmas leftovers. We've got some nice pork tenderloin. We've got some Idahoan mashed potatoes, Shout out to the Idaho and mashed potatoes. Those things are delicious. And then we've got some carrots and a little bit of other vegetables that we're just going to mix all up into a little plate of Christmas leftovers. We didn't do too much filming because it was mostly just getting everything heated up.
Freaking love mashed
The
potatoes.
second day though, what I did was I ate the shredded beef over rice, like Korean rice, and had some kimchi on the side, and that was also very good.
Stop.
Let's see what 4 does.
Ooh, give it some power.
Big boy.
Power.
It just burns too much fuel when you get this on 4.
The wood as the fuel or the battery as the fuel of the fan?
Both.
Yeah, it does burn it first.
It's nice and warm though.
That's great.
Is it
Did you
blinking out?
stick your toes under there yet?
Yeah, I have. I've had them.
Like,
Yeah.
so good.
Another break side.
Like, yeah, what the point is between the two right now, but
Yeah.
if it was a point.
I wonder if we could.
All right,
How do
Pete.
you-
Old pet's gonna get dragged.
It might.
You woke me up. Bed last night.
Yeah. Gator coop.
I just realized that was on sale,
Yeah.
and I saw the gray one.
$30.
Then I like clicked on it to buy it, and all they had was like a bright magenta one. I keep walking with the spices back and forth to you instead of just fucking braiding sodas.
I get your sniffing nose out of here. Good dog. Tuna.
I'm trying.
I'm stopping on the
Heard me doing something with that until he left his meal. Let's see what I was doing. No, Cooper, go eat your breakfast.
We finished our cut huge.
I don't know what to do. You got tuna.
Gotta cut up my onions.
Pepper,
The gift of bacon.
The gift of bacon.
to call them the army green? Is it the matte or the?
There's really nothing like waking up at camp in the Pacific Northwest in the middle of the winter with the sun beating down on your face and a light breeze blowing around. We got packed up and said our goodbyes to Becky and Isaac as they headed down south towards Bend.
Judah! Bye, Judah! Bye, guys.
Well, this was a nice little one-nighter with some friends. We're out here in, where?
Dougan?
Dougan Creek or something like that?
Dougan Creek.
Dougan
or
Creek?
Dougan Creek, we're not really sure.
Something like that. Dougan Creek Falls. It's a pretty nice little campground. There was only one other group here, so
It's really
good
beautiful.
little winter spot.
Got some sun, as you can see,
Yep.
lighting up our faces right now.
We're gonna head down to the waterfalls and do a little drone photography. Let's do it.
Honey, there's plenty I don't believe. Plenty of things that mean nothing to me. But if there's one thing I know to be, oh, I know what you mean to me. I know what you mean to me. You've got a story I wanna read. You've got a meaning that matters to me. I know there's many more to be seen, but I know
Whoa,
what you
it's an
mean
eagle.
to me. I know what you mean to me. Yes, I know, I know, I know what you mean to me. You keep me steady, ship on the sea. You anchor me down and you float next to me. Honey, I'm ready, know what I need, and I know what you mean to me. I know what you mean to me. Yes, I know, I know, I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me. What you mean to me.
Another winter camping trip in the books. And this one was really nice. It was so great to get out, and especially felt like winning the lottery with the nice weather the next day. We're hoping to do some more winter camping here. The hard thing is, you know, when you got the Prius, it's a little difficult to get out to the spots that we really want to get to. And like I said earlier in the video, we definitely would like to get a truck, hopefully in the near future. Right now, the Prius does a pretty good job for us. So we're going to keep trucking with the Prius. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you hit the like button, if you hit subscribe, if you're new here. We're having a lot of fun doing these trip videos, and I hope you're enjoying them. I would love to chat with you in the comments about Prius camping, or really just exploring and any type of camping. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good one. Peace.
I what you